All right, so we're up to level 21 and the frogs are spread all over the pond, but the lily pads are bunched to the top. It says you can use align content to set how multiple lines are spaced apart from each other. It takes the following values. They're similar values to what we've already seen in the earlier levels: flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around. It says this can be confusing, but align content determines the spacing between lines, while align items determines how the items as a whole are aligned within the container. Right, so I think this is going to be flex start. It's got to move up. Um, they've definitely got to move up. Let's have a look at what flex end looks like, though. We'll do that first. Just have a quick look. Okay, so that moves it down. So opposite of that, moves it up. Center. One more move. And we go to the top. Flex start. There we go.